Hi again everyone, welcome to another Oy'Nissh vlog. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how Oy'Nissh patterns are created, especially floral patterns. The focus in this video is on Caváramit. A Caváramit is an Oy'Nissh floral pattern featuring late flowering wild garlic or ramson plant in the United Kingdom. The new Jamaican English translation is Caváramit. So wild garlic is called vominji in Oy'Nissh. The new Jamaican English is vominji with a Y instead of an I. This video is recorded in May, and during May wild garlic start to flower already. Most of it will be getting ready to die out. And if you go across the Lowlands in Scotland, and one of my favorite places in Musselburgh, where I first saw flowering wild garlic, is when I took note of how beautiful the colors were. So in this video, I'll be showing you a clip from the first time I encountered flowering wild garlic. And years later, the word Caváramit evolved as a flowering pattern that is now used in Oy'Nissh development for patterns for various things. So we're going to an area where we've got a large patch of wild garlic, but as you can see, just along the edges we've got stinging nettles. So I'm hoping to get some of this later. See it? Stinging nettles. And the wild garlic. But see it? It's just along the path. So what I'm trying to do is to get some further off the path. But as you can see, right along wild garlic. And as I said, it's spring and we're looking at pure nature, organic products, fresh seasonal vegetables. Wild garlic are Samsons and stinging nettles, and it's all organic, all free and in abundance. And Oy'Nissh, the Oy'Nissh concept is to use local seasonal products, fresh produce, to make Oy'Nishifiers, or that's the term for marinade in the Jamaican Oy'Nissh language. And here we are now, we're at a large patch. As you can see, it goes way back, and the idea is to use those further back. But look how much of it we've got. So much, and it's all free, 100% organic and healthy. Later on we'll look at some of the nutritional values of the stinging nettles and the wild garlic. Look at how much we've got here. So much. And let's go to the patch. Look, it's just all there, 100% free, 100% organic. And this is just one patch along the River Esk in Musselburgh. And think of all of Scotland, all of Britain. So it's not only here that you'll find wild garlic, but even along this path further down, you still have a lot more. And I told you, as I mentioned earlier on, it's all over this region, fresh and in season. And this is vegetable. You can use it to make salads, you can use it to make so many stuff. And the wild garlic have the leaves, you've got the bulbs that's underneath. So I'm hoping to get some to take home with me today.